Hi guys, welcome to We Yorubas Like TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for showing me love on this page. I thank you all for your support, both in cash and in kind. For those of you who are my members, who are my monthly members, I thank you all for showing your support through the membership platform. So please, if you want to support me to become a member of this platform, you can make use of the join button down below to show your support, and as well you can make use of the super thanks that you can see below this video, underneath this video. Thank you very much. Today I have something that I want to discuss, and this particular topic is somehow very annoying. You know, some of you must have been hearing about it on different social media platforms, and it is all about what some people are saying concerning Ooni of Ife. I think there's a video that is flying around on different social media platforms where Ooni of Ife said something about Isese, and what he said, I am going to be playing the video shortly now for you guys to listen. Then when you listen to this very video, when you listen to what he said, then I'll come back to react to it, and so that we can look at it together. Let's check what Ooni of Ife said that people are now giving their thoughts negatively about it. Just take a look. Welcome back. So first of all, for those of you who do not know the meaning of Ooni, Oonirisha, you know, the meaning of Onirisha literally means the owner of Orisha. Oni Orisha. So if you don't know the meaning, that is the meaning of Onirisha. So logically, he is the owner of all the Orishas in Ile-Ife, right? So looking at what he said in the video, he said that we are in a civilized world now. This is a digital age, right? So, and I don't think why that should be a problem to us when we are trying to blend with the way this world is moving, or we are trying to make ourselves relevant as well. So I don't see anything bad in what Oni of Ife said by saying that Ayé ti di ayé ọ̀làjú, which is true, it's a fact, right? This made me to remember the day I went to a babalawo, no, not a babalawo, I think is an Orisha custodian, and I asked him that why is it that Isese, some of Isese practitioners are hiding some things, and there are some Orishas that they will say we should not see. The person actually answered me and said, no, that was then, that now that people can begin to see some things that they did not have the opportunity to see in the olden days. Okay, so, and he even said that in the olden days it used to be very difficult to take pictures of all these Orishas, and now we can take pictures and nothing happens. Okay, so that is to show that even the Orishas, since Olodumare and Orisha, they are even the owner of this world, they are the owner of this earth, so they know that things are changing, and of course they are the one that is making all this change to happen. If they don't want the change to happen, this is not gonna happen. Okay, so for Onirisha to say that Ayé ti dayé ọ̀làjú, it's a fact. It's a fact, and we cannot shy away from that. So I don't see anything wrong in what Ooni of Ife said by saying that Ayé ti di ayé ọ̀làjú. So we are in the 21st century, and this is a digital world now. Okay, and civilization is taking over, and if you don't want to roll with the civilization, then you will be left behind, and we don't want to be left behind, and that is one of the preaching that I preach on this platform. Okay, then secondly, he said that he used to support the Orisha practitioners in Ile-Ife, and I saw a caption of someone on Facebook which sounds very ridiculous. He said that Ooni of Ife is calling Isese practitioners beggars. He did not call them beggar. He said that he used to support them, that is the one that normally give them that they cannot do anything without his support. Of course, he said that he used to give them something for them to appease this Orisha. And he said categorically that he is the owner of the Orisha, that he is the owner. So if he says that he's the owner of the Orisha, then definitely he has the upper authority on them. He has the upper authority, and he can, he can even plead with the Orishas to blend with the civilization, even though just to say to play with the Orishas, but the Orishas, they themselves know that this world is moving forward, and they are not in they are in know of it. They know that this world is moving on. We are evolving as humans. Okay, so if you don't know the meaning of evolution, you can check online, search Google to know what evolution is all about. Okay, so we are evolving as humans. And he said that that the appreciation of Risha, the Oro, the spiritual rite that they normally do in Ile-Ife should now be done in the evening time, or at night, or midnight, because of other people who are not Isese practitioners. That is a fact as well. It's a fact. Nigeria is a country. It's a country of all of. It's our country, and where we have different religions. As far as Nigeria is concerned, there is nothing we can do about it. We have Muslims, we have Christians, we have Isese practitioners, we even have atheists. We have people who do not even believe in God. Okay, so we should not say because we practice our own faith, we should not use our faith to affect others. That is exactly what he's explaining. So he's explaining something to people for us to understand. He is at the forefront. He is our leader as far as Isese is concerned, because he is Onirisha. That is the meaning. Okay, so we should take order from him. That is exactly how I see it. That is exactly how I see it. We should take order from him. Whatever he says, we follow, and that is why he's our leader. So I'm so very, I feel so concerned about how some of us who are Yorubas, how we turn things, how we try to, when you say something, people will want to like complicate your statement for you. They want to just because they don't like you. I see that so much in Yoruba. You know, we don't like to call a spade. When something is wrong, is wrong. When something is right, is right. There is no other way about it. What Onirisha said is, in fact, I listened to it. Even before I got this video, I saw some videos on TikTok, on Facebook, some write-up that people are going against what he said, that Ooni of Ife is ridiculing Isese, or Ooni of Ife. You know, I was like, what? Because Ooni of Ife that I know, I've been going to Ile-Ife, I've been meeting with Orisha priestesses in Ile-Ife, and they all praise Ooni of Ife. They all praise him for saving Isese. So I was like, what? Is it, how could that be? So I had to search online to search for the video specifically to hear what he said. In fact, they say agbejo enikonda agba oshikani. So if you just hear something because some people are saying something, you just jump on it and join them. Don't join them. Go and listen to it by yourself. So now I've listened to it. Everything that Ooni of Ife said are all facts. So, and I don't see anything, you know, so embarrassing about what he said. He just said this categorical, because I was like, there are pictures of Ooni of Ife. You see him promoting Isese, you see him practicing Isese. You know, there are videos, pictures such as this kind of pictures. Now you can see how Ooni of Ife showing himself promoting Isese, practicing Isese to the world. He's not hiding anything. He's a highly educated, he's an educated person. When we say Aiwo, like now, maybe there is a need to appease a particular Orisha in Ile-Ife, and maybe at a certain period of time, like from 1 p.m. to like maybe 4 or 5, and we say nobody should come out because Aiwo, you know, if you tell a Muslim man that Aiwo, Muslim man would say, no, I have freedom of movement. The law is there that you can go to wherever you want, since it's a public environment. Okay, or like a Christian, how can you tell a Christian that one is trying to, you know? So it will be as if you are using your own to disturb other, and that's exactly what I feel he's saying. This is exactly the meaning of what Ooni of Ife is saying. And he said, what if maybe like you put your Orisha appeasement to like 1 p.m. Maybe students have an exam to read, to write, and you now say from 1 p.m. you say Aiwo. This is exactly what he's saying, that we should not use that to disturb order, that it should be done in the evening time or at night or midnight. Okay, so some people are now coming out to say this Orisha, there's some Orisha, you have to appease in the afternoon, you have to, you know, of course, the Orishas, you can go back to the Orisha and plead, and things can be changed. You can still make amendments. That is how life is, and that is exactly what evolution means, you know, because, okay, let's say there is no amount of power Isese can have, you know, that will supersede that of a government, of a country. Had it been our country is being governed with Isese laws, let me put it that way. Had it been this country, Nigeria, is being governed by Isese constitution, that can be reasonable. But this country is a secular country where we have different belief system, we have different people, diverse religion, diverse culture, traditions. So you can't just use your own tradition to affect others, because in a country where there is freedom of movement, the meaning of freedom of movement is you can go to wherever you want at any time, as long as the place is a public place. Okay, that is freedom of movement. So if you now say, because you are practicing a religion, you know, and you now say, okay, someone should not walk, you should not see some certain things. No, we know that there are some things that they should not see, that people should not see. And Ooni of Ife is not saying that don't mind them, they can see this. That's not what he's saying. He's just saying that since you know that there are things that they should not see, then definitely you should shift your festival or the appeasement or the spiritual that you want to do to evening time or at night or midnight. Okay, so that people will not be disturbed. Okay, so guys, this is my take. This is my take. And in fact, what Ooni of Ife said is actually my own ideology concerning Isese. Okay, so we should not remain stagnant. You know, we should not remain stagnant, because I always say that the coming generation will make Isese much more better. Our babas, they've tried and they are still trying their best. They have been the custodians for a very long time ago. So now that we are in a civilized world now, so we are coming up, we should at least see how we can make things look much more better and to blend with the current trend. And some people will say that other religions have been messed up, blah blah blah. Nothing is. They are growing. Don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. They are growing. Other religions are growing. They are seriously growing. Okay, so one of the things for us to do to grow is for us to blend with with what can be, with what is obtainable internationally. That is my take. That is my take. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. If you are not happy with my own take, you know, there is nothing I can do. I just have to say my mind, and I'm happy that Ooni of Ife actually came out to say what he said, you know, and I in fact, I'm in support. I love what he said, and I'm very sure that some of these Orisha people, some of them, many of them, all of them, they are in love with Ooni of Ife. They love Ooni of Ife, you know. I know that they love him, because if you meet any of them, they always say good about him. So we that we are coming out to make comments should not start what we cannot finish, and we should not cause trouble. Okay, so we should be law-abiding practitioners of Isese. We should be law-abiding. We should make ourselves responsible. We should look responsible to the world. We should not be you know, very important, very important, you know. So thank you very much. Thank you, guys. If you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Thank you. Until we meet again, get a better life. Bye for now.